like 4 times and she's still not answering, and I am getting so close.
Hi, Fiona.
Alright, well. Anyway, that was Fiona. She's dirty. Why are you so dirty? This is Coraline. Come here, Coraline.
Hi.
She's going to be a good girl, I think.
Beautiful.
What you guys did to me. Come here, Jinxie. Jinxie, what you itchy? Are you itchy? Got itchy ear?
You got itchy ear too, huh, Winter? Like my foot, huh? Where'd you go?